Yeah, welcome to DURGASOFT. Myself, Dr. Seshadri. I have total 18 years of teaching experience. I am AWS certified trainer at associate level. Associate level. This is day one recording session. I'll send it in the chat box. If anyone is missing in the yesterday session, this is day one recording session. That day one recording session is uploaded in the YouTube. Now, this is day two demo session. Here in the last session, so before I'll starting the session, this training is providing the 40 days of the training. 40 days of the training. Here, if you are registered in my AWS training, every day class recording videos, you get it, and class notes, whatever I'm explaining that class with hands-on, that class material is uploaded on the drive link that is shared. And at the end of the 40 days or 45 days of the training, you got AWS interview questions and answers and AWS dumps you are getting. That is when we attempt the exam, the global level AWS certification, then how the questions are asking, and at associate level also, I'm providing the question and answers. I'm given the training, this 40 or 45 days of the training, I'm given at associate level training. So accordingly, I'm framing the syllabus. And at the end of the training, at the end of your 40 days of the training, AWS, whatever I am explaining the concept, everyday concept with the help of screenshot explanation, I am providing. That is around 800 to 900 pages are there. So this is in my point of view, I am providing the things, class videos, class notes, interview questions, and AWS dumps, and the screenshot explanation. At the end of this training, I'm providing these things. Every day you are getting class videos and the class notes. Right. So in the yesterday session, we discussed the basic concepts of the cloud computing we are discussing. That is, what is cloud computing? What are advantages of cloud computing? The different types of cloud computing is nothing but the cloud computing is providing 4 types of cloud computing: public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and the community cloud. And also in the last session, we discussed the cloud delivery models. The cloud computing is providing 3 types of delivery models are providing. One is infrastructure as a service. Second one is platform as a service. And third one is software as a service. So in the last session, I have to explain with the help of the PPTs I am explaining. Now.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Sridhar. Anyone? Okay, I am given the chance at the end of the concept. If anyone have any questions, anyone have any queries, raise your hand and you have to unmute your mic, right? So at the end of every concept, I am given the chance. If any queries, you can ask me, right? So before starting the session, if anyone have any questions regarding the yesterday concept, in the yesterday, the demo one only I am completed, the basics of the cloud computing. Basics of the cloud computing, right? So today's session, we discuss the AWS introduction, AWS introduction, and also how we had to create AWS free tier account, how to launch and connect the Windows server, how to launch and connect the Windows server. So those concepts we'll discuss one by one. One by one we have to discuss. First, we'll discuss about the AWS introduction. AWS introduction. AWS introduction. I had to explain the AWS introduction with the help of my class notes. That is, the class notes I am providing around 80 class notes I am providing, 80 PDFs I am providing. Fine. That is today's session, AWS introduction we are providing. That is, see that in the introduction I am representing, AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services. It is a cloud computing service created by Amazon. Here, it is a collection of remote computing services. It is providing cloud computing services. It is providing compute service, storage service, database service, Lambda service. That is, it's a collection of remote computing services it's providing, right? So it is offered the services by using the internet connection. Without internet connection, you can't do anything. You can't do anything, right? The AWS, it is started in the year 2006. Here, now their data centers are available throughout globally. That is, with the help of their data centers, they are providing their services. How the AWS is providing globally their services means with the help of their data centers. With the help of their data centers. From that data centers, it is providing their services. If you want to the servlets, it is providing. If you want to the storage, it is providing. Lambda service, it is providing with the help of their data centers. So it is a huge data centers across the globe. That's why the AWS, it is providing their services globally. Globally, it is providing the services. And till now, there are the AWS 33 geographical regions are there and 105 availability zones are there. Total 33 geographical regions are there. 105 availability zones are there. Here, the each region, it has to cover the single country. Single country is covered. Here on that single country, there are availability zones are there. Now, let us see this link. I'm sending it in the chat box also. I'll send it in the chat box also. Here in the class notes, I am providing the link also. If you click on this link, it is providing the AWS global infrastructure it is providing. See that? It is providing AWS global infrastructure it is providing. See, here in the global infrastructure, total how many regions are there? 33 regions are there. Here, 33 launched regions, each with multiple availability zones. So if we are taking the Mumbai region, the multiple availability zones are there. Means in the Mumbai region, the 3 availability zones are there. And total 105 availability zones are there. In the AWS global infrastructure, if you click on that, you also copy and paste it in your browser. You are getting the global infrastructure. You are getting the global infrastructure. Total 33 launched regions are there. And 105 availability zones are there. See, if you scroll down, that is AWS global infrastructure map it is showing. Here, 105 availability zones within 33 geographic regions. 33 geographic regions. So in upcoming, they are planned to introduce 18 more availability zones. 18 more availability zones and 6 more AWS regions in Malaysia, Mexico, New Zealand, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Thailand, and the European. That is upcoming AWS regions. So till now, there are 33 regions are there, 105 availability zones are there. Right. Here in upcoming, there are planned 18 more availability zones and 6 more the AWS regions in Malaysia, Mexico, New Zealand, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Thailand, and European. See, if you scroll down, it is providing the AWS global infrastructure, the map it is providing. See that in the green color circle, there already existed regions. There are already existed regions. See that there are already existed regions. Those are already existed regions are there. Spain, Ireland, here this one, and here our Mumbai region is there, Hyderabad region is there, right? UAE is there, right? So those are nothing but the green color circle, which is representing already available regions are there. Already available regions are there. Total 33 regions are there. 105 availability zones are there. 33 regions and 105 availability zones. Sir, here, what is the red circle, which is representing the upcoming regions? Already I have mentioned, already in the global infrastructure, it is representing that 105 more availability zones and 6 more regions are there. The 6 more regions are Malaysia, Mexico, New Zealand, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Thailand, and European. See that this is Mexico, upcoming AWS region. This is nothing but here, this red color mark here. See, this red color mark, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This one, Thailand. This one, Malaysia. That is upcoming 6 more regions are there. 6 more regions are there. Okay. This link is providing the AWS global infrastructure. Already I shared in the chat box the AWS global infrastructure. You also copy and paste it. What are the availability regions are there and what are the availability zones are there. So in the AWS, it is providing their services. Globally, it is providing their services. Globally, it is providing their services. Total 33 regions are there. 105 availability zones are there. Upcoming 18 more availability zones and 6 more regions are there. 6 more regions are there. This is diagrammatically that is represented the existed regions and upcoming regions which are represented. Existed regions which are representing green circles which are represented. The upcoming regions are represented, that is red color circles which are represented. Red color circles which are represented. See that. See that. The AWS, if you are creating the AWS pre-care account, it is providing 12 months of the free service. 12 months of the free service. I tell you what the services are providing, how many hours it is providing the free services. That is, if you click on this link, in my class notes, the links are there. If you click on this link, you can scroll down. Here, see that compute service. Means compute service is providing in the AWS using EC2 service. Here, total it is providing 750 hours per month. It is providing the free service. 12 months of the free service. Per month, 750 hours it is providing. Compute service is providing. And S3, storage, 5 GB. 12 months of the free service it is providing. 12 months of the free service is providing. Database, relational database system, 12 months free service it is providing. That is managed relational database services for MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, SQL Server. That is, it is providing the 12 months of the free service. Per month, it is providing 750 hours. Per month, it is providing 750 hours. Right? If you are taking the DynamoDB, always it is providing 25 GB. 25 GB. SageMaker, it is providing 2 months free trial. Lambda service, it's always providing the free service. And scroll down, this is Amazon OpenSearch Analytics, 750 hours it is providing the free service. SNS, it is always providing the free service, the email service. Like that, if you click on this link, what are the free tier services are there? Developer tools are there. CloudWatch, always free it is providing. Always free it is providing, right? So this link is providing what it is providing the free services. How many hours per month it is providing the free services? It is providing the details in this link. Details in this link. I copy this one and paste it in the chat box. You also see that what are the free services are available. What are the free services are available when you are creating your AWS account. You are creating your AWS account. Already in the last session, I explained that what I have covered the concepts in the AWS. That is, in the last session, I am showing that what are the contents I have covered, what are the topics I have covered in 40 to 45 days of the training. That is, I have covered the EC2 service. Around I have to explain 18 hours. I have to explain the EC2 features slowly, one by one features. I have to explain with hands-on. S3, simple storage service. Identity and access management. With that, how we have to create IAM usage, groups, policies, how we have to create password policies, how we have to change the password, how we have to apply multi-factor authentication at the root user and the IAM user, how we have to apply the load balancing and auto scaling concept, how we have to create your virtual private cloud, root 53 using command line interface, how we have to launch the Linux server, how we have to create the bucket using command line interface, how we have to connect MySQL database using AWS, using the relational database service, Elastic Beanstalk. That is, those are the list of services I have to cover. So the training is around 40 to 45 days of the training. 40 to 45 days of the training. Each session is approximately 1 hour time it is taken. 1 hour time it is taken. Okay. Now, after completion of your training, already I told that every day you are getting the recording videos, class notes. At the end of the training, you are getting interview questions, and AWS dump is nothing but when you attempt the AWS global certification at the basic level or at associate level, I am providing how previously they are asking the question and what are the answers are there. That I am providing 800 pages, the question and answers I am providing. And then whatever the concepts, every day I am explaining the screenshot explanation format I am providing. Let us will see that. That is how I am providing the screenshot explanation is. Like that I am providing. See that? See this one? That is, if you are launching the Windows server, what are the steps we have to follow? That is, I am providing the screenshot explanation. Like that format I am providing. See in the EC2 Windows server, how we have to launch and connect. We have to select the region that is highlighted I am coloring. That relevant screenshot I am providing. That is, we have to select your region in which we want to create your Windows server. First, we have to select the region. And then what next step we have to select it? We have to select the Mumbai region. That's I am highlighting. Next, to launch the Windows server, we have to click on at the left side top services option is there. Under we have to choose compute service. Under we have to select the EC2 service. Like that, the screenshot explanation I am providing at the end of the 40 days of the training. Meanwhile, in every day, class notes I am providing. That is the class notes I am providing. Like that, I am providing the class notes. I am providing the class notes. 8 p.m. class is there every day. That is, if you are see that launch the Windows server, what are the steps we have to follow? See that we have to select the race. We have to select the EC2 service. Click on launch instances. Like that, step by steps I am providing. The screenshot, the class notes I am not providing. At the end of the training, I am providing the screenshot explanation. If you follow these class notes also, you are launch the Linux server, whatever the concept I am explaining, you have to do it. You have to do it. No problem at all. Once you register the codes, then I am providing the class notes. I am providing the class notes. Fine. Fine. Now, so if you are completing your AWS training and if you prepare whatever I am sending the material that is previously asked the global certification question and answers, then you may attempt the exam at the foundational level. At the foundational level, we have to attempt the exam. And you may attempt the exam AWS Certified Solution Architect, associate level, we have to attempt the exam. You can attempt the exam AWS Certified Developer at associate level. Developer at associate level. AWS Certified System Apps Administrator, associate level, we can attempt the exam. That is up to this level, I am providing the training. I am providing the training. The relevant content explanation with hands-on I am providing, and at the end of the training, I am providing question and answers in the previous exams. And whoever completed the AWS Certified Solution Architect at associate level, then they may apply, that is after learning some tools, you may attempt the exam AWS Certified Solution Architect professional level. Professional level. See that I have mentioned in this slide. That is, they may complete the exam AWS Certified Solution Architect at associate level. He may write the exam AWS Certified Solution Architect professional level. Who have completed AWS Certified Developer, he also write the exam AWS Certified DevOps Engineer. He has completed the course, this one. We have to learn some DevOps tools and we have to attempt the professional level also. Direct, you cannot apply the professional level exam, global certification. First, we have to attempt the exam, the foundational level. Or you may apply the exam at the associate level after completion of my training. And also, the AWS is providing the many more certification, relevant domains. Relevant domains. See that. AWS is providing the certification, big data, specialty certification is providing. AWS Certified Alexa Skill Builder, that certificate is providing. AWS Certified Machine Learning, AWS Certified Advanced Networking, AWS Certified Security. Like that, the specialization certification global level also, it is providing the certifications. It is providing the certifications. Right? I am providing the training at associate level. At associate level. After completion of the training, you have to prepare and then we have to attempt the exam, global certification. But that you only register for the global certification. You have to pay the amount. For foundation level, one payment is there. You have to register at the global level and you have to write the exam. At associate level also, you can register and we can write the exam. But that when I'm writing the exam at associate level, AWS certified at associate level, 15,000 rupees plus GST I paid. I paid. Right? I'm certified at associate level. I'm certified at the associate level. Okay. That is I'm providing the AWS introduction. AWS introduction I'm providing. Now, today I have to explain how we have to create your AWS account. How we have to create your AWS free tier account. So to create your AWS free tier account, you need the three things are required. One is your credit card or debit card. Debit card is required. And then second one is your mail ID is required. Third one is your mobile number is required. Your mobile number is required. So these three things are required to create your AWS free tier account. AWS free tier account. Sir, how we have to create the AWS free tier account? Already I have the AWS free tier account is there. Right now, I'm not creating with hands-on the AWS free tier account because already I'm created. I have to explain how we have to create the AWS free tier account. That is, I have to explain with the help of the screenshots I am providing. With the help of the screenshots I am providing. See that? That is, when we click on this link, I copy and paste it. I'll send it in the chat box. How we have to create. What is the link we have to follow? This is the link to create your AWS free tier account. To create your AWS free tier account. When we click on this link, that is, it is asking sign up for AWS. Sign up for AWS. We have to enter your mail ID. You have to enter your mail ID and AWS account name. AWS account name. And then we have to click on verify email address. Verify email address. See, you are given the account name that must be unique. That must be unique. So after enter your email address and the account name, and then we have to click on verify email address. Verify email address. That step I am providing. That step I am providing. Then you got in your email, you got the verification code. That is, you are receiving the OTP to your mail ID. Whatever you are entered, but that mail, you have to receive your OTP. OTP. Whatever you are received the OTP, that OTP we have to enter. That is, enter the OTP received on your mail ID. On your mail ID. After entering the verification code, click on verify option. Click on verify option. After that, we have to enter the password. And we have to confirm the password. Again, we have to retype the password. That is the total the 5-step process to create your AWS account. So once you are enter the mail ID, and then your AWS account name, you are received to your mail ID, the one verification code you are received. Whenever you are enter the verification code, then it is asking the password. Again, we have to type it for confirming the password. That is the first step.
Having question over here.
After that, Ratan, mute your mic.
Yeah. So actually, I mean, before continuing our class, do we need to create these accounts?
Yes. That is from today's session onwards, I have to explain the concepts one by one concepts with hands-on. That's why when you are attempting the classes, that is, if you are practicing, must and should your AWS account is there. AWS account.
Okay. So,
you need to create it.
Okay. Then in that case, do we need to follow these steps?
Yes.
Okay.
We have to follow the steps. With the help of this step, you have to create your AWS free tier account. Clear?
Okay. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Now, we have to enter the password. We have to confirm the password. Here, to give the password, we have to follow these things. That is, the password must contain one of these three combinations. That is, uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and alphanumeric characters. And also, you remember the password must be at least 8 characters. 8 characters length. And contain at least 3 of the following things. 3 of the following things. Right? That is, it is the combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and alphanumeric characters. Alphanumeric characters. That is to give the password, to enter the password, to enter the password. After entering the password, then next it is asking your personal details. That is, you have to enter your full name. You have to enter your mobile number. And we have to choose the country or region. India, we have to choose it. And we have to enter the address, city, state, and the postal code, and then click on continue option. And we put the tick mark and then click on continue option. That is the next step we have to follow. That is the second step, we have to give your personal details. Like we have to give your name, mobile number, country, address, city, state, and the postal code. And we have to put the tick mark, click on continue option. Then after that, your card details we have to enter. That's the third step. Remember, the Visa card is accepting, Rupee card is not accepting. Credit card, however, it is accepting. Credit card is accepted. Visa card is accepting. Rupee card is not accepting. Some cards they are not accepting. The card must be international transactions are accepted. Some private banks are accepted. HDFC Bank is accepted. That card is accepted, no problem. Right? Visa card is accepting. Credit card is accepting. We have to enter your card number and the card expiration date and year. Card expiration date and year. And card holder name. When you are turn your card, credit card or debit card, the CCV, 3-digit number is there. CVV, sorry, not CCV. CVV, 3-digit number is there. We have to enter that 3-digit number. And then, if you have the PAN card, you can choose S option, otherwise no option also. And use your contact address. Click on continue option. That is the third step. We have to enter your card details. After entering your card details, already in the previous step, you entered your mobile number. The second step, you entered your mobile number. So you got OTP to your mobile number. Whatever you received the OTP to your mobile number, that OTP we have to enter. Click on submit. Then 2 rupees is deducted to your account for verification purpose. After 24 hours or within 24 hours, that 2 rupees will be credited to your AWS account. 2 rupees is credited for your AWS account. That is for verification purpose. The 2 rupees it is charged, it is deducted, and then after the verification, 2 rupees is credited to your AWS account. After that, we have to confirm your identity. You have to confirm your identity in the fourth step. You may confirm your identity using text message or voice call. You may choose any option. You may choose the text message or you may choose voice calls. That's your option. I'm choosing the text message. Again, we have to choose the country. That is India, we have to choose it. You have to enter the mobile number. Whatever the security code, it is displayed, not this screen. While creating your AWS pre-tier account, whatever the security code is appeared, that security code we have to type it. And then send SMS. Click on this step. After that, we have to enter the verification code. Click on continue option. After that, it is showing we have to select the plan. You may select basic support for free or developer support. If you are choosing developer support, $29 per month is deducted to your account. If you are choosing business support, $100 per month is deducted. $100 you have to pay the amount. So you are for practicing purpose. That's why you have to choose the basic support. Free service, free plan, we have to select it. Then you have to complete sign up. Click on complete sign up. Remember, we have to select for practicing purpose this one. Basic support. All services which are worked out. 12 months of the free service, it is worked out. After that, we have to complete sign up. Complete sign up. Then you are created your AWS account. You got this message. You got this message, right? After that, we have to enter your role and your interested area. You have to select it and then click on submit. Click on submit. So already I have my AWS account is there. After creating your AWS free tier account, how it is appeared is we have to see that. We have to click on AWS management console, AWS login console. You have to sign into the console. You have to sign into the console. You have to enter whatever the mail ID you are given, that mail ID you have to enter. You have to choose the root user. Remember, root user. Whatever the mail ID you are given, that mail ID we have to enter. Click on next. Whatever the password you are given, that password we have to enter. Click on sign. Then your AWS free tier account is open. This is the AWS account. This is the AWS account. See that here on the right side, the my name is displayed. My name is displayed. Right. Here, just we have to click on this. It is showing the AWS in my account, the regions which are showing. North Virginia region, Ohio, California, Mumbai region, Osaka, Singapore, Sydney, right? So those are the AWS supported regions in my AWS account. Here, if you scroll down at the bottom, they are not active. They are upcoming regions. Upcoming regions. So right now in my AWS account, those are the regions are there. North Virginia region is there, Mumbai region is there, Singapore region is there, Sydney region is there, Canada Central is there, right? Those are the regions are there in my AWS account. In my AWS account, right? Right. Now, here we have to click on, here on left side at the top, services option is there. Click on this one. Those many services are providing the AWS. See that. It is providing analytics service. It is providing blockchain application service. Compute services providing. Container services providing. Database services providing. Those many services are providing. If you see that, if you are selecting the compute service under the EC2 service is there. Under the EC2 service is there, right? Under the EC2 service is there. This is my AWS. When we are logging, then this is the appearance. This is the appearance. This is the appearance, right? Right? Now, in this session, how to launch and connect your Windows server. How to launch and connect a Windows server. For that, what are the steps we have to follow? We have to follow. That is, here at the left side, services option is there. We have to select compute. Under, we have to select EC2. EC2 stands for Elastic Cloud Computing. EC2 stands for Elastic Cloud Computing. That is C2 stands for cloud computing. E stands for elastic. Using the EC2 service, we have to launch the servlets. You are launching the Linux server. You have to launch Red Hat Linux server. You have to launch SUSE Linux server. You have to launch the Windows server, right? That is using the EC2 service, we have to launch the server. So see that on the EC2 dashboard, at the left side, top EC2 dashboard are there. The instance is nothing but your virtual machine, your servers. How many instances are running? Zero. How many instances are there? Zero. In the Mumbai region. In the Mumbai region, instances running are zero. Instances are zero. In the yesterday session, I am creating the key pair. No problem. Just wait. I am deleting the key pairs also. I am deleting the key pairs also. Just wait. Just wait. The key pairs I am deleting. Now, security groups also I am deleting. Just wait. I am deleting the security groups. Click on delete. Now we have to see the EC2 dashboard. EC2 dashboard. Right. See that EC2 dashboard. Refresh the browser. Refresh the browser. Now we have to see that. We have to see that in the Mumbai region, EC2 service, EC2 dashboard, how many instances are running? Zero. How many instances are there? Zero. Key pairs are zero. How many security groups are there? Zero. How many load balancers are there? Zero. How many volumes are there? Zero. One security group is there, that is the default security group. Default security group. You see that. You see the EC2 dashboard. You see the EC2 dashboard. Now, in this session, how to launch and connect the Windows server. Windows server. For that, here on left side of the EC2 service, instances option is there. See that? Instances option is there. Under instances are there. We have to select the instances. We have to select the instances. Right? We have to choose. Is there any instances are there? Instant is nothing but your virtual machine, your servers, your instant, your missions. Is there any missions are there? Send me in the chat box. Is there any instances are there? Send me in the chat box. Say yes or no. Say yes or no. Your response is very important. Say yes or no. Send me in the chat option. Chat option is there. Friends, we have to utilize the chat option. No. There is no instances. There is no virtual missions are there. Now, how we have to create the virtual mission? How we have to create the instances? Means here launch instant option is there here. Here also launch instance option is there. We can click on here or you may click on here. No problem at all. So here first step is you need to select the region. You need to select the region. Means that is the Mumbai region, we have to select it. After that, we have to select the compute service. Under, we have to select the EC2 service, we have to select it. Here on the EC2 service, on left side, instances, we have to choose it. Under the instances, we have to click on launch instance option. Launch instance option. See that? Click on launch instance option. We have to give the name of the instant. Name of the instant. I am given the instant name is, that is Windows Server I am given. Windows Server I am given. Copy this instant name and paste it in the notepad. Paste it in the notepad. For future reference purpose, we have to note down on the notepad. On the notepad. Scroll down. Then the next step is to launch the virtual machine. You have to select the operating system image we have to select. Which operating system you want to select? That is nothing but the Amazon mission image. Amazon mission image. See, here in operating system image, it is providing Amazon Linux, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat Linux, SUSE Linux, right? So those many operating systems are provided. Now you are launching the Windows server. You are launching the Windows server. That's why you need to pay the amount. Wait, I'll tell you. Shubham, I'll tell you. So you have to select the Windows server. You have to select the Windows server. That is the operating system image. You have to select the Windows. You have to select the Windows. Scroll down. Scroll down. Here, the Amazon mission image is there. See, if you click on this arrow mark, some of them are providing free tier eligible one. See that? Are you able to see? Free tier eligible one? Free tier eligible one? Yes? Yes. If you scroll down this one, see that some of them are not mentioned the free tier. Some of them are not mentioned the free tier here. See that. Here it is not mentioned the free tier. It is not mentioned the free tier. Not mentioning the free tier eligible means they are the paid version. They are the paid version. So for practicing purpose, we have to choose free tier eligible. Free tier eligible. When I am selecting the Amazon mission image, it is showing the AMI ID is showing. Amazon mission image ID is showing. 64-bit is selected. 64-bit is selected. Scroll down. That is the second step is, the next step is we have to choose operating system image. That is, we have to select the Windows. We have to select the Windows and the free tier eligible one, we have to select it. Scroll down. Scroll down. Then see that you are launching the Linux server or you may launch the Windows server. The three things are required. Three things are required. Tell me what are the three things are required? You are launching the Linux server or you may launch the Windows server. The three major things are required. Send me what are those three things are required. What are those three things are required? That is, you are launching the Windows server or you may launch the Linux server. The three things are major. Three things are major, right? One is CPU. Second one is memory. And third one is your hard disk. These three things are required. You may launch the Windows server. You may launch the Linux server. These three things are required. That is, after selecting the operating system image, the free tier you are selecting, then the next one is we have to select the instant type. Here, what it is providing the instant type is nothing but we have to select, we are selecting the instant type. It is providing the CPUs and the memory. See that here, if you click on compare instant types are there, click on this one. Here you are in Mumbai region. See that. You are in Mumbai region. See, in the Mumbai region, you are launching the Windows server. Here, to launch the Windows server, you are selecting the instant type. See, when we click on compare instant types, see that how many instances are there? How many instant types are there? See that how many instant types are there? 513 instant types are there. As per your business needs, we have to select the instant type. Suppose if we are selecting T2.micro, it is providing how many CPUs it is providing? One CPU. One CPU. How much memory it is providing? 1 GB memory it is providing. Scroll down. Total in the Mumbai region, 513 instant types are. Suppose if we are chosen, the instant type is T2.2 extra large. It is providing 4 CPUs. 16 GB memory it is providing. If we are selecting T2.2 extra large, it is providing 8 CPUs, 32 GB memory is providing. Like that, the T3 family is there. Under the T3 family, there are many instant types are there. Under A1 families are there. Scroll down. C4 family is there. There are many instant types are there. Like that, in the Mumbai region, total 513 instant types are there. As per your business needs, we have to select the instant type. We have to select the instant type. So, you are for practicing purpose, we have to choose T2.micro. T2.micro, it is providing the free service. If we are chosen the remaining one, that is T2.2 extra large, we are getting bill from the AWS. You need to pay the amount for the provider. Even though you are creating the free tier account, as per your business needs, you are selecting T2 extra large. It is providing 8 CPUs, 32 GB memory it is providing. So for that, you are for practicing purpose, we have to choose the instant type is T2.micro. It is providing the free service. 750 hours per month, it is providing the free service. 12 months of the free service it is providing. It is providing 1 CPU, 1 GB memory it is providing. I am selecting the instant type is T2.micro. Select the instant type. Select the instant. See that it is showing 1 CPU, 1 GB memory. If you are selecting, the instant type is T2.micro. That is, we have to select the instant type. Which instant type you are selecting? We have to select T2.micro. We have to select it. If we are selecting T2.micro, how many CPUs it is providing? How many CPUs it is providing? 1 CPU. How much memory it is providing? That is 1 GB memory it is providing. 1 GB memory it is providing. Fine. Then scroll down. If you want to connect the Windows server or the Linux server, you need to create the key. Without key pair, you can't connect your Windows server. You can't connect your Linux server. See, without your key, you can't open your lock in your house. So in the same manner, to connect your Windows server, to connect your Linux server, you need the key pair. So the next step is key pair. So if already key pairs are there, you have to select the existing key pairs. Otherwise, you have to create the new key pair. How we have to create the new key pair? Click on create new key pair. We have to give the key pair name is, that is Windows Server key I am given. Windows Server key I am given. Copy this one and paste it in the notepad. Okay. That is the fifth step is we have to create the key pair. I am creating the key pair Windows Server key. Okay. Here key pair type we have to select RSA. Private key file format. Remember, for Windows Server, we have to select .pem file format. Click on create key pair. Key pair is downloaded in my downloads option. See that in my downloads, .pem file key pair is downloaded. Windows Server key. Scroll down. Then the next step is network settings. Here on network settings, click on edit option. Now, right now, you don't touch that whatever it is there. Those things as is we have to select it. See, the default VPC is there. VPC stands for Virtual Private Cloud. So in upcoming session, one module is there, virtual private cloud. So in upcoming session, we have to create your own virtual private cloud. Under your virtual private cloud, you have to launch your servers. You launch your Linux server. You launch your Windows server. So right now, we have to choose the default VPC as it is. Subnet preference, I am not given any preference. Whatever the default as it is, I am providing. See, in the Mumbai region, there are 3 availability zones are there. That is AP South 1A, AP South 1B, and AP South 1C. I am not given any preference. So it is taken automatically. It may be taken AP South 1A, 1B, or 1C. So subnet preference I am not given. Auto assign public AP, that is enabled. So for firewalls purpose, for security purpose, that is firewall is nothing but the security group. That is a security group is a set of firewall rules that controls the traffic for your instance. But then you need to create the security group. How we have to create the security group is, you have to give the security group name. That is, I am given the security group name is, that is Windows Server SG. SG means security group. Copy this security group and paste it in the description. And also paste it in the notepad. Fine. Fine. Scroll down. Scroll down. Here, the inbound security group rules are there. You are launching the Windows server. Type is RDP, Remote Desktop Protocol. Port range is 3389. Source type is anywhere. Anywhere. See, if you click on this arrow mark, 3 it is provided. Anywhere, custom, my IP address. If I am selecting my IP address, only I am connecting the Windows server with my laptop, with my IP address. If I am chosen custom, the administrator has to enter the IP address. Administrator has to enter the IP address. So if I am chosen anywhere, then if you know the key, then we can connect your Windows server any place, any location with that key pair. So I am selecting the source type is anywhere I am selecting. Scroll down, scroll down. You are launching the Windows server. You are launching the Windows server. Default, it is providing the storage is 30 GB it is providing. That is, hard disk size is 30 GB it is providing. See that? So in the Windows server, how many CPUs are there? 1 CPU. How much memory? 1 GB. And hard disk capacity is 30 GB. So this 30 GB for installing the operating system, the Windows. And some space is there. Scroll down. Right now, I am not adding any additional volume. In upcoming session, I have to add additional volumes also. Right now, the default, it is providing the storage 30 GB. Scroll down. Scroll down. I'm not adding advanced details right now. In upcoming session, I'm adding the advanced details. Here on the right side, it is providing the summary details. That is nothing but how many instances you are launching, which Amazon mission image you are selecting, which instant type you are selecting, security group, how much storage it is providing. It is providing the summary details of the instant it is providing at the right side. Scroll down. Click on launch instant. The instance is launched in Mumbai region. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. See that? Success. Success. Now we can click on instances. Click on instances. See what we observe. The instance state. Instance state. What we observe. The instance state. Pending. Pending. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Once the instance state is running, then I am connecting the Windows server. I am connecting the Windows server. That is depends on the internet speed. In the Mumbai region data center, your Windows server is launched. Launched. Just refresh the browser. Just refresh the browser. Now see that. Now see that. Are you able to see what is the instant state? Running. Running. See, when you are selecting the instant, that is instance is launched in the Mumbai region. In the Mumbai region. What is the instant name I am given? Windows server. Windows server. If I am selecting this instant, at the bottom, it is showing the details. That is, it is showing the instant ID, public IPv4, private IPv4 of the instant, Instant state is running. Public IPv4 DNS. Scroll down. Private IP DNS name and instant type is t2.micro, right? All the details which are showing at the bottom. That is, if we are selecting the instant, at the bottom it is showing the details. Status and alarms are providing, monitorings are providing, security tab is there, networking tab is there, storage tab is there. Now what I am doing is I copy the public IPv4 of this instant, of this Windows server, paste it in the notepad, Now, to connect this Windows server, we have to select the Windows mission, we have to select the instant or the mission or the virtual mission or the same terminology. I am selecting the instant. At the top, connect option is there. See that? At the top, connect option is there. Click on connect. Here, session manager is there. RDP client tab is there. EC2 serial console is there. Now, we have to select RDP client. Scroll down. We have to copy public DNS name and paste it in the notepad. And we have to copy the username for the Windows server, that is administrator. Copy and paste it in the notepad. See, already I told that to connect the Windows server, you need the password. Without password, you can't connect your Windows server. That's why you can click on get password option is there. See, while launching the Windows mission, you are downloading the key pair. Which key pair format you are downloaded? .pem file format. See that in my downloads option, Windows Server key .pem file format is there. Now, I'm getting the password. Click on get password option is there. Now, we have to upload private key file. Upload this where your PEM file format is there. In the downloads, see that you have to select your PEM file, Windows Server key PEM file. Select, click on open, scroll down, decrypt password. Password we are getting. Copy this password as it is. Even single character is missing. We can't connect your Windows server. You can't connect your Windows server. Fine. Now, I am connecting the Windows server. To connect the Windows server, if we are using the Windows operating system, see, in your laptop, remote desktop connection is there. See that? Remote desktop connection. Are you observed? In your laptop, we have to search it. You are using the Windows operating system. Remote desktop connection is there. Here, computer. Here we have to enter the public DNS name. This one. That's why you have to copy and paste it on the notepad. You have to copy public DNS or public IPv4. No problem. Anyone, no problem. Copy the public DNS name. And here we have to paste it. Click on connect option. That steps also I have mentioned in my class notes. What is the username for Windows server? The username is administrator. Copy this username and paste it in the remote desktop connection. And we have to enter the password. This is the password. Even the single character is missing the password, it can't connect the Windows server. Click on OK. Click on yes. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. It is connecting the Windows server from Mumbai region data center. Wait. See that? It is connecting. It is updating. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Wait. Depends on the internet speed. It is connecting the Windows server from the Mumbai region data center. Wait. Meanwhile, we'll see in my class notes, see, when you are registered the codes, when you are join the codes, here, this is the class notes I am sending. Every day class notes I am sending. Here in this class notes, I am providing the steps. First, we have to select the region, Mumbai region. We have to select the EC2 service. Under the EC2 service, here on left side, instances option is there. We have to click on launch instances option. We have to enter the name of the instance, that is Windows Server. We have to choose Amazon mission image, that is operating system image, Windows, we have to select it. Free tier eligible one only we have to select it. Then next step is we have to choose the instance type, that is T2.micro, we have to choose it. It is providing the free service. It is providing 1 CPU, 1 GB memory it is providing, right? Next, we have to create key pair. That is, to enter the key pair name, special characters does not work. Special characters does not work. We have to select the key pair. We have to select private key file format as .pem file format. All the steps I am providing. Click on create key pair. All the steps I am providing, right? Step by step I am providing. If you follow blindly, then you are connecting your Windows machine. Now see that. Now I am connecting Windows Server from Mumbai region data center. See that. If you have doubt, see at the right side, it is providing the details. See that it is providing the details. Host name, instant ID, private IP address, public IP address. While launching the Windows mission, I am choosing the instant type is T2.micro. The availability zone, I am not selecting any subnet preference. Default it is taken AP South 1A. Memory, that is T2.micro, I am selecting 1 CPU, 1 GB memory. See that? Network is low to moderate. Means I am connecting the Windows Server. Windows Server I am connecting. See that 13.201.87.200. If you have doubt, see that 13 dot public IP address. You have to see that 13.201.87.200 means we have to observe here EC2 hyphen 13 hyphen 201 hyphen 87 hyphen 200 AP South 1 dot compute dot Amazon AWS.com means I am launch and connect the Windows Server. So those are the steps we have to follow how to launch and connect the Windows Server. So that's about that. So remember students, remember friends, after completion of your practice, whatever you are practiced, after completion of your practice, we had to terminate, we had to delete all those things. See how we had to delete. So we had to go to the AWS portal. We had to select the instance. Here at the top, instance state option is there. Here, stop instant is there, terminate instant is there. Stop instant is there, terminate instant is there. If we are stopping the instant, just like in your laptop, shutdowning the mission. Now, if you want to connect after half an hour or next day or the next day, after 1 week, after 2 months, then if you want to connect this Windows Server, no need to follow from beginning of the step to the ending of the step. That is nothing but instant name we are selecting and operating system image selection and instant type. All those points you are not selecting. You are not go for one by one. So that is if you are choosing the stop instant. That is just we have to select the instant. If you are connecting this mission, go for the instant state, then start instant option is there. Then it is connecting Mumbai region data center. See the instant state is pending. Once the instant state is running, then I am connecting this Windows mission. This Windows mission. That is, if you are choosing the stop option on the next day or after 1 month, after 2 months, if you want to connect that Windows server, you can connect it. Just select the instant, go for the instant state, start option is there. Start instant is there. Instant state is, once the instant state is running, once the instant state is running, then I am connecting this Windows server. This Windows server. For stopping the instant, we would get the bill. But however, for practicing purpose, that is Mithukumar, while stopping the instant, you are not getting bill. But for practicing purpose, we have to terminate the instant. And then again on the next day, if you are launched the Windows server, then you have to go for beginning of the step to the ending of the step. Then only your practice is perfect. Then only your practice is perfect. It's not much time to launch and connect the Windows server. Just it's a matter of 2 or 3 minutes time. Just for explaining step by step, I am taking the time, 40 minutes of the time I am taken, or 30 minutes I am taken to launch and connect the Windows server. But actually, how much time it is taken to launch the Windows server? Just it's a matter of 2 minutes. Just it's a matter of 2 minutes. That's why students, we have, after completion of your practice, we had to terminate. How we had to terminate this mission is select the mission before terminating the instant. See guys, I copy the public IP before and paste it here. Are you able to observe any difference? Are you able to observe any difference? Send me in the chat box. This is previous IP address, previous public IP address. This is present public IP address. Are you able to identify any difference? Are you able to identify any difference? Friends, chart option is there? Yes. That is, once the mission is stopped, and then if we are connecting, if you are start the mission, then the IP address is changed. The IP address is changed. Public IPv4 address is changed. Means there are 2 types of IP addresses are there. One is static IP address. Second one is dynamic IP address. There are 2 types of IP addresses are there. One is static IP address. Second one is dynamic IP address. Dynamic IP address. That is, if you want to the same IP address, you need to enable the elastic IP address. If we are using the elastic IP address, then you are getting bill from the AWS. I'll tell you in the upcoming session how we have to enable the elastic IP address. So just to mention the point, there are 2 types of IP addresses are there: static IP address and the dynamic IP address. Right? So in this session, I explain how launch and connect the Windows server. I am explaining how to create the AWS account. I am explaining. Right? So in this session, I explain very clearly, that is introduction to the AWS, global infrastructure I am explaining, and how we have to create your AWS free tier account, and then how we have to launch and connect the Windows server. Friends, if anyone have any questions, unmute your mic regarding the training or regarding today's session. If
Actually, I have not set up this one. So can I able to set up all your steps by going through this notepad?
Yes. That is already I am providing the class notes. Once you register the course, I am providing the class notes. With the help of that steps, you are connecting your Windows mission. No problem at all.
Okay. Even we can set up these things in our office mission also, right? It's not in.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. If you are chosen as per your business needs, you are selecting the instant type, that is T2 dot extra large Accordingly, it is providing the CPUs and the memory. That is accordingly you are getting billed from the AWS. But for practicing purpose, you have to choose always instant type is T2.micro. It is a free service. It's a free service. Once you are perfect, you are joining the industry, then as per your business needs, we have to select the instant type and then we have to connect it. Remember the friends, in the industry, it never terminate the instant. It never stop the instant. When you are joining the industry, the server is launching and connecting, it never stop or terminate the instance. It is running 24/7, 365 days it is running. Once it is terminating the instant, the data is lost. Data is lost. Correct? I'm saying correct, Sridhar?
Yeah, yes. Yeah.
So, but
Understood.
for practicing purpose, we have to terminate the instant. On the next day, if you want to connect the Windows machine, you go for beginning of the step to the ending of the step, then your practice is perfect. That is to launch and connect the Windows server. Just it's a matter of 2-3 minutes. It's a matter of 2-3 minutes. Clear? Sridhar.
Clear. Yeah, yes.
Okay. Anyone have any questions regarding
Yes,
the?
I have one more. I have one more. So where I can get this the daily note something you are saying, right? Where I can get it?
Class notes. Once you register the AWS codes, then you are getting everyday recording videos and the class notes on the drive link. They are sending the drive link. DurgaSoft is sending the drive link. Once you are registered the codes.
Okay. So I have done the registration. Today is my first class actually. So it was planned for morning, evening session.
No problem. Yeah. Already recorded a video is there. This is the demo session only. Day one, I am saying the basics of the cloud computing. That is, what is cloud computing and what are the advantages of the cloud computing? What are the types of the cloud computing is that? Just I am explaining the theory concepts. And what are the delivery models are there? Only I am explaining the theory concepts on the day one. On day one, right? If you want, if you have watched the video, that is a day one recording video. Already I sent the short box also. Recording video. I'll send it in the chat box. I'll send it in the chat box. Right? You have to watch this video and then you can do it. Any questions regarding this?
Class, right? So when that real class will be started?
Yes. The real class is also started. That is, I am starting the AWS introduction. Okay. AWS introduction. How to create your free tier account. How to launch and connect your Windows server. That is on day 2 I explained. On day 3, on the next day I explained how to launch and connect your Linux server. Okay. How to launch and connect your Linux server. Slowly I am introducing one by one feature with hands-on. Not all features. Slowly we have to update. One by one. So in 40 to 45 of the training, 40 to 45 days of the training, all services, whatever I have mentioned in the content, all services I have to explain. No problem. Clear?
Should I consider this is a real class, right? Instead of demo, should I consider the real class? Am I right? Okay.
Yes. This video is also uploaded today video in the demo video. It is uploaded on the YouTube also. If you want to practice, you can create your AWS account. You launch and connect the Windows server. You launch and connect the Windows server. Clear? Kumar. Anyone? Anyone have any questions regarding this? Regarding the training and today's session? Regarding training and today's session? Anyone have any questions? Anyone have any questions? If any course related queries and the fee related one, you have to contact these numbers. You have to contact these numbers. Muthukumar. Okay, sorry, but your name is displayed.
Yeah. Something's a typo. It was a typo. So my name is Muthukumar.
Okay, you can change the name. Sorry.
Okay. Sorry. Thank you. No problem.
You can change the name. So you have any queries related to the training and fee duration, you have to contact these numbers. Contact these numbers. Thank you.
Sir.
We'll meet the same time tomorrow. Prashant, any question?
Yeah, I just wanted to check, like, when is this video going to be uploaded in YouTube? Because in between I got disconnected, so I couldn't create the account. So if the video is available, I can try it offline and create the account so that I'll be ready for the next session tomorrow.
Yes, in the YouTube link also, the demo videos are uploaded.
Okay,
Right?
I mean,
Watch the demo videos and you can register the course. Then every day recording videos and the class notes, you got it. Prashant.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Here. Anyone? Before ending the session, anyone have any questions? If no questions, then I'll end the session. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.